one more application on trigonometric identity. Okay, just see what it is. See here, we need to show that tan theta minus cot theta by sin theta cos theta equal to, we need to show here two results. One is secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, and another one is tan square theta minus cot square theta. Don't panic. Here, if you obtain this result, we can convert this into this. Understand? First obtain one result, and it's a very simple problem. Not even two steps we need to take. Just see. Here we'll take LHS part. LHS part would be what? Tan theta minus cot theta by sin theta cos theta. So for our convenience, change all tan and cot terms into sin and cos. So how can we write tan theta here? Or else do one thing. First of all, separate the fractions. Okay, separate the fractions over there. How do you separate this? Tan theta by sin theta cos theta minus cot theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay, now convert entire expression into sin and cos terms, sin terms and cos terms. How do you convert it? You need to write this tan theta in terms of sin and cos theta. You need to write here cot theta also sin and cos terms. How do you write it? So tell me. So here tan theta can be written as a ratio of sin theta upon cos theta, right? So therefore sin theta upon cos theta whole by this sin. See, the value of tan theta would be this, and upon what? Sin theta cos theta minus. Here cot theta can be expressed as what? Cot theta can be expressed as the ratio of cos theta upon sin theta. That means what? This cot theta can be represented as cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now if you consider this as by 1 and this as also by 1, then what can you say? You can invert the denominator fraction here. Understood? You can invert. So how do you write here? Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta sin theta cos theta by 1 will be inverted to 1 by sin theta cos theta minus here cos theta by sin theta into sin theta cos theta by 1 again inverted to what? 1 by sin theta cos theta. Now here clearly in numerator part sin theta is there and denominator part also sin theta is there, which can be further cancelled, and here also cos theta will be cancelled in numerator and denominator part. What are left over here? So just see here 1 by cos theta into cos theta, that means 1 by cos square theta is left over minus. Here 1 by sin theta into sin theta, 1 by sin square theta is left. Now just tell me, what about 1 by cos theta? How can we write 1 by cos theta? 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta or not? Yes. Here we have 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta, and 1 by sin theta can be written as what? Cosecant theta, because cos theta and secant theta are reciprocals of each other, and sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. Now tell me what happens. 1 by cos square theta can be written as what? 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, secant theta. Since here square is there, we can put here also square minus. Similarly 1 by sin square theta can be written as what? Cosecant square theta. I think we obtained our first result. Okay, so therefore this is your first RHS part which we need to obtain, right? So this is your first result. So this is your first result. Then you want to obtain the second result also. Just observe here the terms are given, your answer is given in secant and cosecant terms. If you convert that into tan and cot terms, again you need to use two trigonometric identities, second and third trigonometric identity. What are that? Just see here, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 because that is standard trigonometric identity. So from this, if you take this tan square theta to another side, then what happens? Secant square theta equal to minus becomes plus on going that side, 1 plus tan square, okay, theta. Take this one. Next, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Why we are taking this? Because there is a term in cosecant square theta also, and we are taking identity connected to that, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Now take this cot square theta to this side, then what happens? Cosecant square theta equal to minus will be plus 1 plus cot square theta. Now this is another one, right? So now just here secant square theta is there, so we can replace this secant square theta with what? 1 plus tan square theta or not? Yes, we can do it. So do it now. Secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, minus, how can we write cosecant square theta? Here cosecant square theta can be replaced by 1 plus cos square theta. Okay, write it down. 1 plus cot square theta, right? Now put the bracket because there is a minus symbol in front of that. Okay, so just see 1 plus tan square theta minus into plus minus 1 minus into plus minus cot square theta. Minus 1 plus 1 will be gone. Now what is left over? Tan square theta minus cot square theta. I think we obtained our second RHS, means second result also. So here this is also our answer. So what we did here, just simply we obtained the first answer, and just by modifying that answer we got the second one, right? Like this also we can solve the problems based on trigonometric identities. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can put them in the comment section. We'll definitely clarify your doubts in the next videos. Understand? And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because we are going to upload the 100%, 110% we are going to upload the content beyond your textbook levels. Okay, which is required for CBSE, ICSE and IGC. For all curriculums we are going to work. Right? Anyways guys, for today this is it.